The field study that I am working on is with the PLC in our school. I went and talked with my principal about changes that needed to be made in the school and what she thought I could work on to help out the school. And she mentioned our PLCs and that some of the PLC teams are having some struggles with their time they're using. So the concerns are that not everyone is using data to drive instruction. PLC groups using time to plan instead of grow student learning, and creating a committee to investigate improvements that can be made and getting the buy-in from the teachers. So to give a little bit of context to this, we have teams that meet twice a week for PLC, and what we would want is them to look at standards and to use that to support their instruction and have that driven off of the data they collect. Of course, this isn't going as planned, so what are ways we can potentially change this? And then, the other issue that we have is the current school year. This is a problem mainly because of the fact of the pandemic. So the change that would like to be seen is to introduce PLCs as a way for teachers to look at data and adjust their instruction. The PLCs are to use these 4 guiding questions to lead their discussion. So what I would do from a teacher leader standpoint is working with teachers to acknowledge their struggles and failures some are having with the PLC. Teachers need to know that frustrations are heard and that things are going to be different. The goal is the teachers will learn from others, and in turn others help others that may struggle. The communication, the change needs to be clearly communicated in various ways. Teachers need to know that what they're saying is heard. Some of the discussions that have already occurred with this, with me and some of the teachers that I've talked to, the positives would be that we already have the PLC structure in place and they're willing to use data to guide instruction, and we have a very young and I would say progressive staff that is always willing to make improvements. So I think those are all great positives that are going to make this fairly easy to do. Concerns are time. It's probably going to have to be done over the summer, so that is always a problem. Funds. If you're going to have teachers doing stuff over the summer, you're going to have to pay them for their time that they spend on it. So coming up with those funds, and then, again, in the summertime, taking up people's freedom from not being in the classroom. And then, of course, getting all of the teachers on board. So the data and assessment, I did some data collection as far as surveying teachers to sort of see what some of their issues were. And then sort of the data moving forward would be teachers are going to be allowed to experiment with this new style of PLC with a unit of their choice and see how see what kind of outcomes they get from that. And then teachers will be encouraged to share their data with others, and the hope with that is to again, work on that growth and the buy-in from other teachers. And if they have some shortcomings, to be able to bounce it off one another and come up with some new solutions. Working in teams, really getting people from the get-go to help drive this change. So creating a task force to help build a blueprint for teachers, especially newer teachers or teachers that have struggled with this, so that they have that available to them. And I have an example that's linked here that sort of gives a template for teachers to use during PLC. Of course, the task force would design one maybe a little bit more suited for different subject areas or grade levels. Okay, and then when the change is embraced, then the difficult work of unpacking those standards won't seem so daunting to these PLCs. So to wrap it up, again, this work is going to be completed in the summer, which I think is going to have some drawbacks, but it was really the only time we could get it put in place, and we didn't want to wait until the start of next year, because then it's just another item that you're putting on a teacher's plate and not giving them any time to really reflect and become comfortable with using it. And finally, I think it was just a great experience working with the administration and showing my willingness to sort of go to them and ask them what is something that I could help with. I think they appreciated that a lot. And then also working with other teachers through the process and helping teachers reflect on some of the issues they're having and allowing them to use me as sort of a sounding board for frustrations they've had with their PLCs. So I think those are really great positives, and this whole experience was really sort of an enjoyable thing to do, and I liked how it ended up. Thank you.